You do not need to break the bank for you to make this simple groundnut soup that is so delicious that everyone is asking for. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I say welcome, and if you've been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking and keep sharing. Let the cooking begin. First thing first, we'll add our meat in the pot. I have this meat in the freezer. You can use your fresh meat. Add in no cube, add in some chopped onions, get in some pepper, add some salt and let it boil with its own juice. Now cover the pot and let it keep boiling. The meat is boiling. Let us prepare our groundnut. So put your groundnut on the fire, add in some uziza seeds, add in ehuru or calabash nutmeg and toss a bit. Just toss it for like 3 minutes and then you are good to blend. In your blender, pour in the groundnut, ehuru and then the uziza seeds. Pour in your onions, add in your pepper, hot pepper, add in your crayfish, add in water so it can blend. To check the meat, so you can see it's been boiling for 10 minutes. Now I'll add in some water and let it cook to be so soft and so tender. If not, you'll be chewing gum when you are eating. So I'll cover the pot and let it cook some more. While the meat is cooking, let's wash the fish. So pour in some hot water to take out the ant. Soak it for like 3 minutes before you start washing. After 3 minutes, you now start washing the fish. I always say use hot water because some ants are always hidden inside the fish and you don't want them to be in your soup. This groundnut soup is so delicious and enjoyed by everyone. I've come to check the meat. Okay, the meat is okay now, so I'll now bring the other ingredients. I'll add in the stockfish fillet because it is not too hard. Next, I add in the smoked fish and then the dry fish. Next, I add in bouillon cube. I'm using no, you can use any one of your choice. Add in some more salt because we use salt for the meat. I'll now add in some fresh palm oil. Don't add too much because groundnut is already oily. Add in some water to the quantity you need. Stir to combine everything together. Cover the pot and let it boil. Open the pot and see how our soup is bubbling. So guys, before we continue, if you are new here, I say welcome, and if you've been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking and keep sharing. Now I'll add in some periwinkle. This is just so optional. It's now time for me to bring the star of this soup, which is the blended groundnut, ehuru and calabash nutmeg, pepper and then crayfish. I'll just combine everything to know themselves very well in this pot. Guys, this soup is so delicious. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. I'll cover the pot and let it boil down. Come to check our soup, and this is how our soup is bubbling. Guys, get your pounded yam or fufu ready. Now I'll bring in the leaf we are using. I'm using some bitterleaf, then some scent leaf. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. So I'll just stir one more time, and guys, our soup is ready. Good to be taken with any fufu of your choice. Guys, please like and follow. Also subscribe to my channel for more. Come back to check the soup, stir one more time and then turn off the heat. It is now time to serve and enjoy. Soup is ready. So get your fufu or any swallow of your choice. You can see I have my swallow here, my yellow gari. So guys, I say keep liking, keep sharing, and I'll see you. You don't need to break a bank for this simple and low budget groundnut soup. So let us have a taste of our soup. This is really so delicious. Guys, keep liking and sharing, and I will see you in my next. Thank you and bye bye.